We're just gonna wing it. Hopefully it doesn't mess my eyebrows up or give me an allergic reaction. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, if you're old, welcome. In today's video, I already opened the box, so that's why it looks like this. We are going to try this brow tint. Do you guys see that? This brow tint by Ardell, and this is in the shade dark brown. Now, I never tinted my brows before, so I'm very skeptical about this because I feel like when I see people who get microblading or micro shading, the brows tend to be very dark, but then after like a week or so, they kind of like lighten up, and I don't really like that, so I don't know. Then there's other people where I see like as soon as they get done with the brows are like seamless, like light in the front and like dark towards like the tail. So we're gonna see how this goes. Like I said, I've already opened the box. So these are the instructions because we don't want to make any mistakes. Which side is the English side? I think it's this side. This side is the English side. So apparently on here it only says there is only 3 easy steps. Perform an allergy test before 24 hours before applying. Have a timer ready. Okay, we're just gonna wing it. Hopefully it doesn't mess my eyebrows up or give me an allergic reaction. It says prepare brows by washing with soap and water. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna go wash my brows real quick and I will be right back. Okay, y'all. Next on here it says mixing ratio is 4 parts. Mixing ratio is 4 parts developer and 1 part colorant. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of the conditioning developer into the plastic mixing tray. Okay, so these are the products that come with it. This is the brow tint conditioning developer. Sorry, my lights are like really bright, so I have so much stuff on my area. I'm gonna clear this. Oh shit. I'm gonna clear this off and then I will be right back because it's just too messy right here for me to work. Alright, you guys, so this is the brow tint that we're gonna be using. And on the directions, it is saying squeeze a small pea-sized amount of the conditioning developer into the plastic mixing tray. So this is like the little tray that we're using. I'm gonna put like just a small piece. Oh, the plastic or the foil is still on there. I said a pea size. Okay. Shake tint bottle 3 to 4 times into the developer and use plastic spatula to thoroughly mix the tint until it is a smooth consistency. It says apply the mixture generously 1 brow at a time using small brush provided for a precise application. Be sure to apply the mixture in the shape of your desired brow and to clean up around the edge to avoid accidental staining of the skin. So I have to grab a Q-tip. So y'all, I've already put like a pea size of the brow tint in here, and now I'm gonna open up the brow tint powder. And this is in the shade dark brown. And I'm just going to mix that, or I guess put a little bit inside this plastic container. And then they have the spatula right here that you're gonna use to mix. Say mix it until it is smooth, like a smooth consistency, so until all that grittiness is kind of away. Okay, y'all, so I need to zoom you guys in so you can be able to see what I'm doing. Ouch. This is kind of hard because my chair is kind of like too high for this or something. So I'm gonna just brush my brush. I'm gonna brush my brows up. I've already kind of cleaned them up. And then I guess you're just gonna apply it with your or with your spoolie. I'm just gonna brush that all through my hair. So now that this is applied to my brows, I'm gonna go in and just kind of like clean up some of the area like that I do not want stained. Set my timer for 10 minutes on my phone, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished product of the brows. So this is how my brows look after the first application. I don't really know if it really done anything. Maybe I have to keep it on there longer. So I'm gonna do another application, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna see if they're any darker than what they were before. Now we're gonna wait another 10 minutes and see if these bad boys get darker. Guys, I am filming on my other camera because my other camera had died. Thank God I actually recorded, or not recorded, thank God I actually plugged this camera in earlier today. I didn't know I was gonna use it, but this is kind of what the brows look like. I don't really think the product has really made like a difference. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can kind of see. So I'm just gonna clean up the brows, and yeah, they made them, like I said, a little bit darker, but other than that, I feel like they didn't really do much. I'm gonna go in with a wax strip, and I'm just gonna wax my brows just to clean up some of the areas, just to make it a little bit more like cleaner. Cheers. So I didn't change the subject real quick. I didn't have apple juice, so I'm using Burners and Crown Apple. The brows are definitely darker. So my first initial thought, I was kind of skeptical because I read reviews. Some people said it worked, some people said it didn't, other people said they had to get a different shade. I ended up getting the dark brown, and I did 2 applications. I think once I did the second application, it kind of like darkened them to my liking. It's not super dark, but once I go in and like fill my brows and stuff in, you will see. Also, I just finished my eyebrows. I actually really like them. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see them. I tried to do like the ombre kind of effect, I guess you could say, when I put that developer on my brows to darken them. I kind of kept the front like a little bit light, and then I wanted the this midsection and then out to be a little bit more darker, but I think they came out really good. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I will be right back with you guys. This is the finished look. My lips look a little odd because the lipstick that I use, I'm actually gonna change this, but my brows look really good. I would definitely recommend that, what is it? Brow Tint by Ardell, this guy right here. I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, I used 2 applications to achieve my brows to be kind of dark like this, and then I filled them in just a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.